In this video, you'll learn how to apply for the American Express Cobalt Card in Canada. If you're looking to enjoy the rewards and benefits that come with this card, you're in the right place. Let's get started with the application process. First, head over to the official American Express Canada website. Once you're there, you'll want to locate the Cobalt Card page. This is where you'll find all the information you need about the card, including its benefits, fees, and importantly, the Apply Now button. Once you've found the Cobalt Card page, click on Apply Now. This will take you to the online application form. Now it's time to fill out your personal details. The application will ask for information such as your full name, current address, and employment details. Make sure to have your income information handy as well. It's crucial to provide accurate and up-to-date information to avoid any delays in the approval process. After you've filled out all the necessary fields in the application form, go ahead and submit it. The whole process should take around 10 minutes. It's relatively quick and straightforward, so you'll be done in no time. Once you submit your application, you might receive instant approval, which is what many applicants experience. However, sometimes American Express may need a few days to review your application more thoroughly. There are some important eligibility requirements to be aware of when applying for the American Express Cobalt Card. First, you must be a Canadian resident. This is non-negotiable as the card is specifically for Canadian citizens or residents. You also need to have a valid credit file, meaning you must have a credit history in Canada. Furthermore, you must be the age of majority in your province or territory, as this is a legal requirement for obtaining a credit card. Finally, keep in mind that approval is contingent upon your credit score and overall financial profile. So it's a good idea to review your credit standing before applying. While many applicants do receive instant approval if they meet these requirements, remember that it's not guaranteed and patience might be necessary. And there you have it. That's how you apply for the American Express Cobalt Card in Canada. Following these steps should help you navigate the process smoothly. Good luck with your application and enjoy the benefits of your new card once you receive it.